Hello, my name's Louise Stanley. I'm the course lead here at HSU for the MSc Pre-Registration Physiotherapy degree. We run our course out of the Bournemouth campus, and I wanted to give you just a little bit of an introduction and an overview of what the course would look like if you came and studied your MSc Pre-Reg Physiotherapy degree with us. So your course spans from January to January. So you would start in the January of your first year. Your first year would run all the way through to the December of that year, and then you would return for year two the following January, and again run your year two all the way through to the December of your final year. Unlike an undergraduate degree, your course will run for a longer number of weeks across the year, and largely your placement periods that are a mandatory part of your training as a physiotherapist will sit within the summer period of both your first year and your second year of practice. So here at HSU at the moment, we're making lots of changes to particularly our practical skill spaces and really interestingly, our simulated and immersive learning environments. Simulation and practical skills, as you can imagine, are a foundational part of our practice and our learning within physiotherapy. And you'll see from the ward around us that we're beginning to develop more immersive spaces that look at the management of acutely unwell patients and patients in inpatient settings. We're also developing some immersive learning spaces that will enable us to reflect a variety of different clinical environments that you might encounter across your career as a physiotherapist. As well as that, we are running our own musculoskeletal and community-based placements out of our own clinical services here at HSU. So you will get an opportunity for lots of practical experience and patient-focused experience within those clinics at some point across the duration of your course. As I said, the course will run for 2 years and will be separated throughout your academic studies with your placement modules. You'll also have the opportunity for interprofessional learning, working with our speech and language therapy students, our occupational therapy students, our podiatrists, and also our dietetic colleagues. So you will get a real experience of what it is like to work in a healthcare setting as a physiotherapist as part of a multidisciplinary team. We really look forward to continuing to review your applications and for applicants that are successful in meeting our entry requirements, inviting you for interviews. That process will begin to take place between June and September, October of this year. And we hope to be able to communicate with all of our successful applicants some pre-learning that will help you prepare and put you sort of on the front foot when you start with us in January. We really look forward to meeting you and thank you for listening.